Competitors' safe are suitcase, baseball, nickel.
Hurry it up already!
The eliminated.
This is an Alberta emergency alert. Alberta Emergency Management Agency has issued a province-wide test alert. This alert is in effect for Alberta. This is only a test. If this had been an actual emergency or threat, you would now hear instructions that would assist you to protect you and your family. For details, visit www.emergencyalert.alberta.ca or stay tuned to local media.
Mr. Phone, do you need me to get you a pillow? Get up, you bum! I love you!
Me phone.